Raiyaan, happy birthday!
Wow, thank you.
Welcome! আমার আব্বু আজকে কি করবে? গিফট ওপেনিং ব্লগ বানাবে, তাই তো? হ্যাঁ। তো চলো দেখি আমরা, লেটস স্টার্ট। রাইয়ানের বার্থডেতে কি কি গিফট পেয়েছে? ওয়াও, সো মাচ গিফট ফ্রম রাইয়ানস ওয়েল উইশার্স, তাই না? ওকে, which one you want to? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh, impressive.
Impressive?
Yes.
What is this? Show me. It's a nice gift from Raiyyan's Dada Bhai.
Yes.
Show me.
Here it is.
Here it is. It's beautiful.
Now next. Moving on.
Moving on. Here
Now
it is.
next is this one.
Okay, open it. This one also from Raiyyan's Dada Bhai. Wow.
Impressive. I got my new bag.
Wow, Raiyyan got his new bag.
And what will I do with my old one? I will use this as my laptop bag.
Okay.
Because very soon I will get a laptop when I get A+ grade on my Bangla exam.
Yes. Then Mama and Papa
Will
will give you a
a
new laptop. Okay. So show me your gift from Dada Bhai. Oh my God, it's a beautiful bag, school bag.
Yes.
Okay. Next one is. তুমি এই পাশ থেকে তাহলে
Keep
start
this
করো।
out.
It's the sound from your friend.
Yes.
Okay. Open করতে পারবে?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh. There we go. Got something else.
You got
And
something
we
else?
got a
What? FIFA World Cup.
Qatar 2022.
You liked it?
Yes, I liked it.
Wow. তুমি ইফতেসামের সাথে খেলবা। ওকে বলবা তুমি মাঠে চলে আসো।
Alright.
We will play together.
Now next
And
is what is this?
open it.
I will. Let's see. It fell off. Ooh, something useful. Whoa.
It's a beautiful t-shirt.
Yes. It is great. Just look at this.
Yes. It's beautiful. Okay. Put it here.
Yes.
There.
Now next.
Now next. Which one you will choose?
Yes. Let's see what we got.
Oh my God.
Chocolate.
Show me.
This is
Raiyyan's favorite chocolates.
and color.
Color pencil
Yes.
from your Dada Bhai.
Yes. It's a oil crystal. Good.
It's beautiful.
Moving on. Wait.
Moving
there's
on to the next.
This
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
We
This
have
is
only
from your
one left.
uncle.
We will open this in the end of this.
Beautiful cards
Yes.
from your uncles.
And here's another chocolates.
Here is another chocolate. Oh my God, Raiyyan has
It's
a
in
chocolate
heart
cake.
shape.
It's in heart shape.
Uh,
Next one, this one.
This one.
This is from your aunties.
Yes. Maybe it's something useful.
হ্যাঁ, এটা তো তোমাকে আগেই দিয়েছিল।
2, 1.
হ্যাঁ, তোমাকে
I got my new watch. I got my new watch.
you got your new watch.
Yes. Good.
Beautiful blue colors. তাই না?
Yes. It is. Now moving on. And here's some of my bucks
Some of your bucks.
for buying a keyboard.
বাইরে আচ্ছা, তোমার এক্সারসাইজ যেটা ভালো লাগে you will buy because it's your gift. Oh, so much money.
Now what will I do with it? Buy a keyboard for my PC.
For your PC.
Yes.
You want to upgrade your PC's accessories?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Already your PC is upgraded.
Yes. Now,
Windows 11.
now moving on.
Moving
This
on to
one-
the next from your big grandmother.
Yeah. I don't know how to open this thing. Let me bring the scissors.
Okay.
Just wait.
পারবে তুমি সিজার?
Here. Ooh.
What is this? Oh my god. Open it.
Is this some chocolate?
Oh.
Yes, I was right.
Show me.
This.
Wow.
Protective gift wraps. I'm opening this just in case, but later.
Okay.
Now let's move on to the biggest box that I feel it's a bit heavy.
Oh really?
Yes.
Let's open it. From your Fupi and Chachus
Yes.
and Dadi. Oh, what is it? Show me. What is this? Oh my god. Wow.
Amazing. More
Amazing.
better than Minecraft.
Really?
Yeah. It is.
It is more better than Minecraft.
Whoa. Great. My best thing ever. Great.
Really great. Ryan play করতে পারবে at home.
Yeah.
Basketball. Ryan have already basketball.
Yeah. So this is what I'm
Beautiful, no?
impressed for.
Really?
And I was thought this box is a bit heavy. So that's why.
Ryan, so how's your feeling now?
And
You were so excited.
yes, I was so
So-
excited.
সব গিফট খুলেছো, এখন তোমার কেমন লাগছে? Very good. রায়ানের সব গিফট রায়ান ওপেন করেছে। How's your feelings?
Very excellent.
Very excellent.
Because of this Qatar 2022.
এইটা তোমার ফ্রেন্ড দিয়েছে, তোমার বেস্ট ফ্রেন্ড ইফতেসাম। বাট ইফতেসাম তোমার ইয়েতে অ্যাটেন্ড করতে পারেনি বিকজ ও সিক হয়ে গিয়েছিল, তোমাকে ফোনে ওভার দ্য ফোন তোমাকে উইশ করেছে। And here is so many gifts from Raiyyan's well wishers. Okay, bye bye though. Bye bye.